Well, this is my fearless Putin the cat, and I'm going to give you a real quick video here because, first off, it's going to be kind of about health. And, you know, I've been breathing the HHO, Brown's gas, hydrogen mixture for, you know, since I guess around February, March of 2000. Now, I was in a hospital for almost 2 months here, not related to anything with age. I had a really huge bladder stone they had to remove, and I had a lot of loss of blood. So during that time, I wasn't breathing in the hydrogen, but when I got out, I started breathing in it again. You know, the hydrogen is not going to like work for everything in the world. If you have a huge bladder stone, you know, it can't freaking fix that. I mean, it just kind of helps the body. It nourishes the body's cells, basically, and energizes them with the HHO. But it's not going to fix everything. You know, it's not a cure-all or some kind of shit like that. It's basically something that helps the body, you know, do its normal thing. Because hydrogen is very, very, very essential to the body. So, but I want to say this. I was looking and looking and looking. I know there's a lot of Japanese studies talking about the health benefits of breathing molecular hydrogen or breathing HHO, which is a different substance that has molecular hydrogen in it. I think the HHO is better. I'm breathing the HHO. I hear about people getting good results. They say they look younger, they feel younger, and all this kind of crap. But I never heard of anybody doing it to the extent that I am. Well, I'm literally breathing the Brown's gas, hydrogen, or HHO for like at least 12 hours a day. Plus I'm drinking the water. So I don't know what this is going to do eventually, and I have a lot of vitamins I take. You can see them up there. There's like a whole pile of them up there. I take a lot of supplements with it, and you know, I've read that the HHO, when you take vitamin C, it even helps the vitamin C get into the body or to the cells even stronger, better, and faster. So I don't know how true that is. I was trying to look up information, but it seems like it's very restricted. It's like it's hard to find the information. I did find the studies and stuff, but I'm the only one I know of, and that's breathing this stuff. And I'm thinking, you know, supposedly you can go back like maybe 10 to 15 years if you do this extensively for 2 years. Now, before I had the little problem with, it wasn't a little problem, with the bladder stone, which was like almost an inch big, I was going to the gym a lot of hours. I was going there at least 2 hours a day. I was going there 3-4 hours on the elliptical machine. And I said I was never working out like that in years. Now, you know, I'm going to get back into that again, but I think I will pretty soon here. I'm going to probably start going to the gym this week just a little bit, see what happens. But, because you remember, I had that bladder stone, lost a lot of blood, and I was in the hospital almost 2 months. So that, like in other words, the HHO can't fix a bladder stone, okay? It does other things, but it can't fix that. But I'm looking at it from the longevity benefits, and well, I'm going to see what it does. I think the point I'm making here is that I'm the only one that I know of that I could find on the internet or anywhere that's breathing the HHO gas like 12 hours a day or more consistently every single day, and taking all these vitamins and stuff, supplements. So, you know, if it works, we'll see if what happens. I mean, I don't know if it's, you know, it's an experiment. Now, the second thing I want to bring out is I'm going to get the ParaZapper CC3. It's a new model, and it should be coming in the mail here probably in a week or so. And I'm going to do a review on it. And I'm going to also reveal my experience with using the ParaZapper with the latest technology that doesn't just include the positive offset, the constant current technology, the microprocessor control, the multiple frequencies, but also has the pedestal offset. Right, Rocky? And it's my personal experiences and my actual test results with HIV. And I found out that the ParaZapper, I didn't believe it. I'll go into more details. I'm a little afraid to put this out on YouTube because they're so restrictive with information. But it's my results. It's my test, my results. And I found that the latest ParaZapper that has all the technology, the bells and whistles, which includes the pedestal offset. I have to explain what that is later in an upcoming video when I get to CC3. Seems to have a great effect against even something as bad as HIV. And I didn't believe it. I thought the vitamin C was working on me. I thought something else was working. And it took me a long time. You got to remember, I was working with this stuff since 2013 when I found out I had the HIV. Now right now I got, I'm like, it's there, but it's basically obliterated. It's undetectable on the most sensitive test there is, and all my blood work is like really good. So it's like I almost don't have it. But I found out recently that the ParaZapper, and I gotta double check. I'm a little afraid to double check it, but I did. I took a risk. It seems like the latest ParaZapper is at least as strong as the best meds. If you use it at least 7 or 8 hours a day, that's the caveat. You can't use it for 5-10 minutes. Now I don't want to. I just said it here right now. I don't want to. I didn't want to. I put another video out on other platforms, not on YouTube, because they're so like, oh, you can't say that. Well, you know what? I'm not wasting my time, not just putting up a video, but I'm saying is, I'm not wasting my time 7-8 hours using a device because it doesn't work. And, it's my own results, and I'm not a doctor, but I do know, these are actual medical results, and I got proof that it did work, as far as I'm concerned. I didn't believe it either. Okay? But it's the one that really works the best is the one that has all the technology. It has to have the pedestal offset, besides the constant current technology, the microprocessor control, the multi-frequencies, and a positive offset. It's got to have all that. But it also has to have the pedestal offset, besides the positive offset. That pedestal offset, I have a theory why it works so well, but all I know is it works. And I'm not, I'm a little leery of sharing anything on YouTube because of the way they are now. Even though I'm being absolutely flat out honest, it's like they don't care. They don't care. And you know what? You never know if a person's lying or not, but try to find out. But it says, it ain't gonna work if you just use it 10 minutes. I mean, 10 minutes is like, if you're using it against something pretty bad, you got to use it like 7 or 8 hours, and that's going back to, the original Hulda Clark method and her zapper, which the ParaZapper is based upon that design, but it's it's much more fine-tuned than the old stuff. But right now I think the two biggest things I'm doing for health is, besides taking all these different vitamins and supplements and stuff, like I like taking, I don't have it right here, maybe I do have it, oh yeah, right here, this one. I like taking that. This one I always take like a religion. This one. It's got everything in it, man. Botanical blend, citrus blend, immune system blend, heart healthy blend, besides, and they're absorbable vitamins and minerals and stuff. But, besides taking the supplements and stuff and taking like, eating chef salads and things, the HHO and the ParaZapper are like absolutely outstanding. It just freaks me out. I got into so many different technologies, and I'm not saying the other technologies don't do anything, but the ParaZapper being so freaking small in that little box the size of a pack of cigarettes, being capable of doing what it could, it amazes me. So I'm going to be getting the CC3 in, which it's one of the newer models that has the pedestal offset and the other features. and I'm going to be doing a review on it when it comes in. But I know from myself, and this is why I was going to put up the website, because I didn't want, you know, if you can't say this on YouTube, then you're going to have to freaking do a private website. And I'm going to see what they do about this. You know, if they get all bent out of shape about me putting this information out, I'm like, that's why I'm not doing much on this freaking platform, because I don't know what the hell they want. They got me demonetized for hate. Hate? What's that mean? I just said something you don't like? What is it? What do you not like? They don't tell me what it is. And you know, I don't have to explain to them in a survey what the problem is, because they damn well know what the problem is. These guys are like control freaks to the max. I don't give a shit about it, you know. Who the hell built YouTube? YouTubers. You know, and it got taken over. That's why I didn't really want to put this out on here, but I'll put it out on here. And to me, it's risky to put this information out, because the powers that be now that are, you know, 2017 and back, YouTube was a totally different animal. It ain't the same thing anymore, not even in the least. You know, and I'm trying to help people, and they're like, they'll kick you in the balls for freaking trying to help people, and they'll tell you you're hateful. Gee. You know? But anyway, fuck it. Who gives a shit? Yeah, so that's that, and, you know, just going to give you that information. You basically got, you know, this is a 11-minute long video, so that's long enough. I'll talk to you later when I get the other device in.